In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Crypto.com app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications and these are annoying and you'd like just to stop them, then it is pretty much simple. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do it on Android smartphone, and I'm going to use a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, to stop crypto app notifications, first we need to access the app info page. Now, there are two ways you can do this. Now, in the first method, you'll need first to go and access it through settings. To do this, just go and look for settings option. And here it is. Then from settings, scroll down until you see the option called apps. Under apps, go ahead and tap on manage apps. And this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, scroll down until you see Crypto.com app. And here is mine. Alternatively, you can search for the app here under search apps. So if you go ahead and tap on Crypto.com, you can see the info page of this app. And this is where we want to do the settings. And if you are finding it hard to get to this page, then let me show you the shortcut. Now for the shortcut, just go ahead and identify where the app is. For my case, it is here. Then just proceed to long press on it, and you'll see we have this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on app info, you will again end up on the same page. Now under this, look for this option called notifications. As you can see, it is currently turned to yes. Now to stop these pop-up notifications, go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you can see we have quite a number of notifications that have been enabled on your app. To stop all these notifications at once, just go over to this show notifications option and then toggle it off. If I go ahead and do it like this, now you can see all the notifications have been turned off. From here onwards, you will never again see pop-up notifications from Crypto.com app. So that's how you stop pop-up notifications permanently on your Crypto.com app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.